When you're ready to export your project, click down in the timeline, and you know the timeline is selected because there's a blue highlight bounding box around the timeline. Make sure none of your clips are selected. If a clip is selected, only that clip will export. We want to export our entire sequence. There are two ways to get to the export window. You can click on File, Export Media, or you could click on the Export button in the upper left-hand corner. Under File Name, change the file name. Everything before .mp4, you want to keep .mp4. And we always put our initials and the name of the project that we're working on. You have to give your project a location, otherwise you will not know where your file got exported to. Click on the blue lettering, and then you can navigate to the folder that you want to export to. Hit Save. Keep the preset at Match Source. The format is H.264. Don't make any other changes. You can preview to make sure that everything you want to export is present, and then select Export. Your file will be encoded, your movie, and you should be able to find it in the folder that you designated. It says your video was exported successfully, and it will tell you where the location is. I chose Shots and Angles, and you can see here is my file. I can hit spacebar to preview it. And that is the simple process of exporting your file in Premiere Pro.